Guess what time it is?
Jeff C. here.
Hey, everybody.
I'm Phil.
It's Laura Clapp Davidson.
Ken here.
Liz Wilcox.
I'm Caleb.
It's Katie.
It's Paul.
Anna Hill here.
Brandon Washington.
It is time for Creator Camp.
Creator Camp.
Creator Camp.
Creator Camp.
Creator Camp 2025.
2025.
It's going to be fantastic.
It's going to be so much fun.
This will be my third time going.
Learn together.
Lots of things to do.
I love being inspired by others.
Creative energy.
Lots of things to see.
And make new friends.
I'm so excited.
I'm excited.
You haven't got your ticket yet.
Get your ticket.
Make sure you get your tickets.
What are you waiting for?
Because tickets are like this many left.
Creator Camp.
It's really, really awesome.
You'll be like, oh, I wish I had came to camp.
You're going to leave with new skills, new ideas.
Learning all kinds of new stuff.
Unlike any other creator event.
And I cannot wait to see you.
Can't wait to hang out with you guys.
Now, if you've already been to camp,
You know what you think you're expecting? It's going to be different this time.
and if this is your first time,
Welcome to Creator Camp. Welcome to Ecamm Fam.
I'm so excited.
I'm excited.
So excited.
It's truly incredible.
Are you excited?
This is the place to show up, connect, get inspired.
to leave with great memories,
I'm so excited.
I've leveled up my entire workflow
with new friends,
and built connections that have made a real difference.
and everything you need.
Ready to take my content creation to the next level.
I'm so excited to hang out with you.
More excited than a toddler with a Sharpie.
My favorite part of the year.
I am so excited.
And I'm excited to see you there.
It's in a new location.
Portsmouth, New Hampshire.
Portsmouth.
Let's go.
The sessions, the surprises.
I'll be behind the lens, capturing every single awesome moment.
An experience of a lifetime.
It's going to be amazing. I want to see you there.
So show up ready to learn.
We're going to talk about tech.
And networking with people.
I'll see you there.
I cannot wait to see you.
I can't wait to see you.
And I will see you.
And I can't wait to see you at Creator Camp.
I will see you at Creator Camp.
I'll see you there.
I cannot wait to see you there.
And I can't wait to see you at Creator Camp.
I can't wait to see you.
Bye.
See you there.